Now, your Stormwatch 9 forecast.
Temperatures started the day in the teens to lower range of the 20s, which just by the numbers isn't a bad start to the day for this time of year. Of course, we're at noontime and those temperatures have not moved at all. And it is all kind of countered with any sort of partial sunshine in southern areas of the state, with some colder air continuing to make its way in. And then you factor in the wind. We do have the wind advisory through 7 o'clock this evening. A few more gusts over 35 miles an hour are going to be a possibility. Snow shower activity continues up north. And as the air mass continues to kind of gradually wring out any moisture that's left in the air, even a few flurries possible for southern areas. Overall, big picture, the colder air is not going anywhere anytime soon. We have not seen much of a change here through the month of December. We have been running about 5 degrees below the average, and it looks like even as we flip the calendar and change the calendar year, things really aren't going to change all that much heading into the beginning of next week. Now, what we are looking at after one system comes through tomorrow night, either side of midnight tonight, we may have some light snow showers around, is a storm-free weekend, which I think a lot of folks will appreciate going into the weekend. Good for traveling, not only here in New Hampshire, but across all of the Northeast if you're going to be traveling. So you'll notice this disturbance kind of diving south around the Great Lakes. This will turn the corner and head towards us and arrive later tomorrow evening. I think if you're traveling between, let's say, 6 o'clock tomorrow night and 9 or 10 in the evening, you should be okay. And then I think from there, some scattered snow showers and some areas of light snow are going to have a tendency to develop. The winds, we had the gustiest out there this afternoon, will come down considerably later on tonight and down to just a breeze at 10 to 15 miles an hour for the daylight hours tomorrow. That will be in response to the next system moving in. Notice the clearing overnight, 0 to 20 for overnight lows tomorrow. Partial sunshine early with clouds filling in through the afternoon. As I mentioned, a lot of this really starts to get going after, let's say, 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow night. There could be a spotty inch and a half in a couple of spots, but there'll be some other areas, nothing more than a light coating of snow. Once we get beyond that system, fair skies, brisk winds for Thursday, and partly to mostly sunny skies for Friday. Looks like we have a chilly weekend on the way with highs in the low and mid-20s, some teens up north, and those lows in the single digits here in southern New Hampshire will be single digits below zero up in the North Country. Gene and I, we'll be right back.